So I'm not getting this roof built correctly. As you can see here, the boxed eave is coming in to the corner. Over here, it's not. I'm not so worried about this framing issue. If we can resolve that and tell me why it's doing that, great. This is a new roof. It is built to a different height than the old roof. That's why you see that. Or I haven't pulled it back yet, one or the other. Maybe I just haven't pulled it back yet. No, it's at a different height than the previous roof was at. So it's even. But I got rid of the old roof because I noticed that it had built this incorrectly. When I look over at my other half of the screen here, you can easily see this center line there. And if I were to come in and grab this, to grab that, seam them together, go back to here, then you'll notice that they're not centered. This line is drawn straight down from there, and well, now it is centered. Okay, so it's centered there. So why does it want to build over to the edge here and not to the edge, to a different location? Different overhang, different everything, brand new roof. And just as a, I guess just clarification, there is an artifact that is not occurring on this side, but if I go over, looking from the outside to the right hand side of this roof in that eave, I've got this artifact back here. When I click it to see what might cause that, hoping it'll answer the difference, it is selecting the roof. So it has something to do with the roof. But like I said, I went into my defaults, I set them up to match the defaults of my main roof as they were outdated, and then rebuilt it, and this is the result, which seems to have fixed the centering issue I was having earlier. I need to edit that piece out I just had in there, but let's take a look when I go inside here into this portion to see that it's just this is as I want it. When I go to the other side, so let's come out so you can see where I'm at. Now I'm on the other side. When I go in, there's an artifact back here that looks like it's made from my eave material. When I select it to see if it might be the cause, it's my new roof. That artifact was there before I built this roof. So it's almost like there's something wrong with my wall. And I can't figure out what that is either. Some assistance on why that might be happening would be great. Don't know why that was back there. And don't know what that will cause. As far as, does that change the way that this roof works? But I don't see how it would. They're in different locations. So at any rate, that's the issue I'm having. Love to know what I'll look at that. Is that now inside? That's now inside. Did that artifact go away? It sure did. So it had something to do with this lower roof.